हे एवरीवन, आज की आइल्स पार्ट 3 की प्रैक्टिस में हमारा टॉपिक है हेल्थ। तो हम कुछ क्वेश्चन लेंगे और देखेंगे कि उनके आंसर हम किस तरह दे सकते हैं। सो लेट्स टेक द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Well, people can improve their health in many ways. The first factor is, of course, diet. If one is taking balanced diet, there are chances that his or her health would be good and it will be reflected in his personality. Second factor, of course, is exercise. The body needs exercise. We must keep moving our muscles. So any kind of exercise can do, whether it is walking, jogging, going to the gym, or any other form of exercise. But not only these, but there are other factors as well which are equally important. For example, sleep, reducing the stress level. So overall, if we take care of all these factors, one can stay healthy. For example, I ensure to have a balanced diet. At the same time, I exercise every day. Try to reduce my level by spending time in pursuing my hobbies, and also I take a good 8 hours sleep every day. That's how I can maintain my health. Therefore, I believe that if one takes care of all these factors, one can maintain his or her health. One can maintain his or her health. Second question now. I believe many elderly people in my country exercise well. Many times when I go out in the morning, I see many elderly people in the park exercising, jogging, doing yoga, some or the other kind of light exercise. I have also seen some elderly people engaging in sports activities like playing badminton, playing tennis. Therefore, I believe that many elderly people engage in physical activities in my country, and there is increasing awareness. In the future, I believe that many more elderly people will also realize the importance of exercising and will indulge in such activities. Third question now. I honestly believe that illnesses may not be prevented completely, but if people start taking care of their health, then the risk of getting sick can be reduced significantly. As the medical infrastructure is developing at a rapid pace, I believe that we will have advanced medical services which can address any health problem if one has in the future. At the same time, if people take care of their health well, then even if they fall sick, they'll be able to recover faster. In this way, I believe that illnesses may not be prevented, but of course, yes, overall health and well-being can be ensured by taking care of health and developing medical facilities. Last question. I don't think healthcare should be free for everyone. However, if I take reference of my country, India, where many people are poor and they cannot afford healthcare services. So for them, it should be free. But those who can pay, they are earning enough money and they can pay for their medical services, they should be charged, so that there is a sort of balance, because even the government cannot afford medical expenses for everyone for free. So considering the burden on the government, the system should be made like that those who are poor, those who are not earning well, they should be provided with free healthcare services. At the same time, those who can afford should be charged for the medical services they take. That way, we'll be able to continue this system for a long time. So these were my answers. I am sure if you have to answer, your answers will be different. बट जस्ट कीप इन माइंड कि इवैल्यूएशन क्राइटेरिया क्या होता है। इवैल्यूएशन क्राइटेरिया के बारे में मैंने आपका एक डिटेल वीडियो बनाया हुआ है, लिंक मैं दे दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में और आई बटन में भी। तो आप उसको पहले समझ लीजिएगा कि किस तरह से आपकी स्पीकिंग इवैल्यूएट होती है और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप अपने आंसर्स दीजिए। आई एम श्योर आपको आपका टारगेट स्कोर इजीली मिल जाएगा। So please let me know in comments these answers are useful to you or not. I'll see you in the next video.